Hey guys, Animus Travels here with breaking 3.09 earthquake news from San Francisco, Fairfield, San Jose, Fremont area. San Ramon had another earthquake in that area of the city just a few minutes ago. I'm sure some people felt it with little damage. If there was any damage. But I'm sure there was because of how the rains have been and the recent earthquakes that San Ramon have been having lately. So I hope everyone in that area, in those areas, are doing okay. And no one has gotten seriously hurt. And I hope that any rain flooding from the storm last night has caused any serious damage. So, yeah, I hope everyone is doing okay. And I hope everyone will hopefully still have a happy Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, despite how the weather is at the moment, with all the rainstorms that have said to happen, along with earthquakes. Well, till next time, guys, stay tuned.